Hey, I'm Sarah Jane and welcome back to my home. So today, first, I want to apologize. If you have stuck around this long, thank you. We did have a few traumatic things happening in our family, but I am back at full force. I do work full time, so I will be look forward to putting out a video about once a week because I do really, I didn't realize how quickly this community would grow when I started it. So if you have reached out to me or prayed for me, thank you. A few of you have reached out over on Instagram just to make sure that I was okay. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, truly. Thank you. But next time, if I do plan to exit social media, I will let you guys know because, when you have a community behind you, you don't want to leave them hanging. So I really do apologize. And then next, so today I'm going to be filming a simple syrup because I am partaking also in the Three Rivers Challenge. So I ran out of syrup and I thought, oh goodness, now is a perfect time to show you guys how simple it can be to make a syrup that doesn't have all the nasty ingredients in it. So on this episode of my Heffiger Homestead, I bring to you simple syrup. So I don't know who has been to the store lately to buy maple syrup, but it is no longer Aunt Jemima, it's Pearl. And have you seen the back of the ingredients? Corn syrup city. Ew.
So gross.
I got a simpler way to make some good syrup at home. So this recipe is very simple. You're gonna mix 2 cups of white sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. Now my brown sugar is a little bit darker because I make my own, so the molasses, enriches it some. And then add 1 1/3 cup of water and whisk away until it's fully dissolved. Then you're going to cook on medium temperature until it boils. After it boils, you'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk until it's room temperature. Then you're going to let it cool down and then put in your jar of choice, whether it be a mason jar or I love this swing top jar because it has a nice lid and pour spout. Then enjoy over any treat. And just like that, syrup.